kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Yellow color, green color, blue color, brown color, black color. Let's draw the shape. Circle. Heart. Star. Trapezoid. Triangle. Cross. Brown color. Circle. Circle. Blue color. Heart. Heart. Blue color. Pink color. Star. Star. Pink color. Light gray color. Trapezoid. Light gray color. Red color. Triangle. Triangle. Red color. Dark green color. Cross. cross, dark green color, brown color, blue color, pink color, light grey color, red color, dark green color, circle, heart, star, trapezoid, triangle, cross. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.